facing a 13 by 4 Yaki straight wig with highlights. This is what the unit is looking like straight out of the bag. And like I told you, my daughter already kind of pre-styled the front for me, but this is what the color is looking like. And this one is also 24 inches in length. This unit does come with your pre-cut lace. They also have some tape on the side that you can use. I always remove mine. And then they went ahead and pre-plucked out the hairline, pre-bleached those knots. There is a comb on each side of the unit, no comb in the middle. You do, however, get a comb in the nape area. You also get adjustable straps. You also get a drawstring, and you get your removable elastic band. This is what the lace area looks like. Now that looks like scalp. I feel like they did a really good job with bleaching the knots on this unit. However, I can tell that the lace is a little bit light at the very front. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of my tint spray to the front of the hairline, and then I'm gonna come back and try this on for you all. So this is what it is looking like on before I do any customizations or install it. I feel like I did a really good job with adding my tint spray. You can see that it's still a little light in some places, but once I add my product on, it's going to blend in. Because this is a 13 by 4, I am going to have to trim off on the side. Now this braid luckily doesn't come all the way down, so it gives me enough room to cut off some of that lace on the side. But yeah, the fit on this, it is a little bit big, but it is laying down flat, and it's not big to where it's very, you know, I can pick it up, so that's a good thing. But it could be a little bit, you know, more snug. So it's right back here in the nape area where I am noticing there is some room. Now, as far as the front of the hairline goes, I think they did a good job with plucking this out because I didn't do anything extra. And then, like I said, the parting space does look like scalp. It does. Because this is a 13 by 4, you'll see more parting space in the middle than you would on the side. But of course, if you wanted to move it to the side, you could, but you'll run into some tracks right here. So you can't go too, you know, far over, but you can still create a side part. As far as the length goes, this is what it is looking like on me right now. You guys know I'm only 5'2", and then the density on this actually feels very good. I actually like this color because it's not doing too much. It looks like it's blended in very, very well. But I'm gonna go ahead and get to installing this because I feel like it's going to be easy peasy. It shouldn't take any time at all. And I think my daughter did good on the braid. So let's go ahead and get to melting this unit down. And then of course I'll be back to show you guys the final looks and also so you can hear my final thoughts when it comes to this unit. On this wig, it came out really cute, y'all. This wig is very, very light in density. I feel like it's the perfect amount of density, especially if you want to wear a wig through the summer months. I thought it was going to be heavier. It looks heavier now because I did go in and add some waves to it, but straighten out, it's perfect. Like, it's the perfect amount of hair, and the length on it is not too bad. Of course, if you are not a fan of long hair, you could always look for a shorter length. Now, to install this unit today, I did go in using my YTBGIFT spray, and then I didn't add any mousse around the front of the hairline because it already looked really good. And because of the tint spray that I added, and I did go in with 2 coats, it matched perfectly. I didn't have to go in with any powder. I did have to add just a little bit more. I'm doing that lately just by spraying this brush and then just kind of dabbing it in. I didn't have to put any powder into the parting space area, and the density in the parting space area is really good. So if you wanted to move this over to a side part, you absolutely can without any issues. I just straightened out the hair, and then I did a cute little half up, half down because I had the braids in the front. The hair straightened out with no issues. And then I took the braid down because I wanted you guys to see what it looked like all the way straight with the highlights in the front. And then I decided to go in and wave the hair. Now, I did have to get some assistance because, you know, waving hair does take some time, and I can't see back there, so my daughter did step in and help me wave it. But y'all, the waves came out really cute. Of course, you know, if you want to go and take smaller sections, like maybe style this on a mannequin head, that way you can kind of get more deeper waves, you really could. But I actually like the bigger waves. Like, it looks really cute, and with the color, I just feel like it blends in really nicely. And speaking of color, I told you guys I like this darker color because I feel like it's not doing too much, and this is perfect for everyday wear. So if you're somebody who is just used to a natural color and you want to step out a little bit, this might be good for you. Now, this is a Yaki texture, so it does have, you know, a little bit of coarseness to it, but not too much. I also didn't have to go in with Sleek and Shine serum. However, I am noticing some flyaways in the front especially right now. I just put a little bit of wax, but you know, when you wear this throughout the day, make sure you put some Sleek and Shine serum. I just didn't do it because I was doing so many different styles. And the ends on this are nice. Okay, as far as shedding and tangling goes, I did receive just a little bit of shedding, but I also did cut into that lace on the side so it could sit by my ear. And then I really am not receiving any snags at the moment, but keep in mind when you're wearing this out in the heat, in the nape area, is going to happen. But I feel like a wide tooth comb, you'll be good to go. But y'all, I really do like the way this looks. I'm gonna say the wave is my favorite, but I do like how the braid showed off the front of the hairline. I didn't have to go in and do any extra plucking. So if you wanted to do a little bit more, you could, but for somebody who is a beginner and they want to wear this straight out the box, 2 thumbs up, you'll be good to go. It's sitting perfectly on the side. You guys already know my only issue is it's just a little bit big in the nape area, but up in this area, it's fitted good. Know what you guys think about this unit. Are you feeling this one? And let me know which style was your favorite. If you are feeling this unit, I am going to make sure to leave all the links down below in the description area. Once again, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time.